Ever wondered what parvovirus is and how it can affect your beloved dog? Well, let's dive right in. Parvovirus, or canine parvovirus to be precise, is a particularly nasty viral disease that targets dogs, especially puppies and those who haven't been vaccinated. It's a highly contagious virus that primarily wreaks havoc on the gastrointestinal tract. This can lead to severe vomiting, diarrhea, which can often be bloody, lethargy, and loss of appetite. In extreme cases, it can even affect the heart muscle, potentially causing fatal cardiac complications. Now, you might be wondering, how do dogs catch this virus? Parvovirus is transmitted through contact with infected feces. A dog can become infected either by directly ingesting the virus or coming into contact with contaminated surfaces. These could include food and water bowls, bedding, or the environment. The virus is a tough cookie. It can survive for months, even years in the environment, making it highly resilient and easily transmissible. The symptoms of parvovirus are severe and swift. They include vomiting, diarrhea, loss of appetite, and lethargy. In the most severe cases, the virus can lead to life-threatening dehydration. It's a serious disease that requires immediate veterinary attention. So, it's clear that parvovirus is no laughing matter. It's a serious, highly contagious disease that can have severe consequences for our furry friends. But, as we'll discuss in the next part of this video, there are measures you can take to protect your dog from this potentially deadly virus. Now that you understand the severity of parvovirus, let's explore how you can protect your dog. In the next part of this video, we'll delve into the role of vaccination in preventing parvovirus, as well as discuss other preventative measures such as good hygiene practices, avoiding high-risk areas, quarantine and testing, proper nutrition and care, and the importance of early detection and treatment. So stay tuned, because knowledge is power, and with the right information, you can help keep your dog safe and healthy. No doubt you've heard of vaccinations, but do you know how crucial they are in preventing parvovirus? Vaccinations are really like a superhero's shield, specifically tailored to protect your furry friends from the villainous parvovirus. These vaccines stimulate your dog's immune system to produce antibodies. Think of these antibodies as an army of soldiers, ready to fight off the parvovirus infection. Now, when it comes to puppies, their vaccination journey begins around 6 to 8 weeks of age. Imagine it as their superhero training, where they need to receive a series of vaccinations like building up their superpowers. These vaccinations are given as boosters every 2 to 4 weeks until they're about 16 weeks old. This schedule is crucial to ensure that their immune system is well prepared to combat parvovirus. But what about our adult dogs? Well, even superheroes need their shields polished and reinforced from time to time. Adult dogs should receive regular booster shots as recommended by their trusted veterinarian. It's like a regular checkup to ensure their defenses are up and running. Let's not forget the critical role of booster shots. These shots are like the occasional power-ups our superheroes need. They reinforce the immune system's memory of the virus, ensuring that it remains vigilant and ready to battle parvovirus at any time. However, remember that vaccinations are not a cure, but a preventive measure. They equip your dog's immune system with the necessary tools to fight off a potential parvovirus attack. It's like giving your superhero the right training and equipment to fend off the villain. So ensure your dog's vaccination schedule is up to date. Consult with your veterinarian regularly and follow the recommended vaccination schedule. Your vet is like the wise mentor guiding your superhero through their journey, providing the necessary advice and care. In conclusion, vaccinations play an indispensable role in protecting our dogs from parvovirus. They are the shields our superheroes need in their battle against this villain. Remember, vaccination is your dog's first line of defense against parvovirus. Keeping your environment clean is key, but do you know what high-risk areas to avoid? When it comes to preventing parvovirus, maintaining good hygiene is a must. And it's not just about keeping your dog clean. You also need to ensure that its living area, toys, bedding, and food and water bowls are regularly cleaned and disinfected. You can use a bleach solution or a disinfectant recommended by your vet. And remember, cleanliness extends to your yard or walking areas too. Prompt removal and disposal of feces can go a long way in preventing the spread of this resilient virus. Now let's talk about high-risk areas. Parvovirus is a tough cookie. It can survive for months to years in the environment. So areas where infected dogs have been are potential danger zones. This includes dog parks, kennels, and places with a high concentration of dogs. But that doesn't mean you have to keep your dog locked up. You just need to be cautious. When walking your dog in public areas, avoid contact with unknown or sick dogs. But what about when you're bringing a new dog into your home? Well, you need to exercise caution here too. Quarantine the new addition from your other dogs until you're sure they're healthy. Consider getting them tested for parvovirus before introducing them to your existing pets. Lastly, don't forget about the importance of good nutrition and regular exercise. A healthy immune system is a dog's best defense against infections like parvovirus. So ensure that your dog gets a balanced diet and plenty of exercise. Regular vet checkups are also crucial. By maintaining cleanliness and avoiding high-risk areas, you can significantly reduce your dog's risk of contracting parvovirus. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. So stay vigilant, stay clean, and keep your dog safe. Did you know that quarantine and testing can be lifesavers when it comes to parvovirus? When you have multiple dogs or you're introducing a new furry friend to your family, it's crucial to remember the importance of quarantine and testing. Think of it as a safety net, protecting your pets from potential threats. Quarantining the new arrival from other dogs until you're sure they're healthy is a smart way to prevent the spread of diseases like parvovirus. You might ask, how long should the quarantine last? The answer can vary, but a common recommendation is at least 2 weeks. During this period, you can observe the newcomer for signs of illness, including those of parvovirus. But quarantine alone might not be enough. Testing is another critical step. It's a good idea to test the new dog for parvovirus before introducing them to your existing pets. It's all about being proactive rather than reactive. Testing can help identify the presence of the virus even before symptoms appear, enabling early intervention and preventing the spread of the virus to other pets. Another important aspect of preventing parvovirus is proper nutrition and care. A dog that's well-fed, well-exercised, and well-loved is better equipped to resist infections. A balanced diet supports a healthy immune system, which is your dog's first line of defense against diseases. Regular exercise helps maintain overall health, and routine veterinary care ensures that your dog stays up to date with vaccinations and other preventative measures. Proper care also involves paying attention to your dog's behavior and physical condition. Are they lethargic? Have they lost their appetite? Are they experiencing vomiting or diarrhea? These could be signs of parvovirus, and early detection can significantly improve the chances of successful treatment. In summary, preventing parvovirus involves a combination of practices. Quarantine and testing are essential when introducing new dogs to your household. Proper nutrition and care help maintain your dog's health and strengthen their immune system. Remember, quarantine, testing, and proper care can make all the difference in your dog's health. Do you know what to do if you suspect your dog has parvovirus? The importance of early detection cannot be overstated when it comes to parvovirus. This sneaky virus moves quickly, but if we catch it in its early stages, we can increase our furry friend's chances of making a full recovery. So what should you look out for? Symptoms of parvovirus can range from severe vomiting and diarrhea, often bloody, to lethargy and loss of appetite. If your dog shows any of these signs, it's crucial to seek veterinary care immediately. Delaying treatment can lead to severe dehydration, and in the worst cases, it could be fatal. Once you're at the vet, they may run a series of tests to confirm the diagnosis. This might include a physical examination, blood tests, or a fecal test to detect the presence of the virus. Remember, it's essential to be open and honest with your vet about your dog's symptoms and any potential exposure to the virus. After confirming the diagnosis, the treatment protocol typically centers around supportive care. This can involve intravenous fluids to combat dehydration, medications to control nausea and vomiting, and antibiotics to prevent secondary bacterial infections. In severe cases, hospitalization may be required for intensive treatment and monitoring. It's important to note that there's no specific antiviral medication for parvovirus. Instead, treatment focuses on supporting the dog's body as it fights off the virus. During this time, your vet will closely monitor your dog's condition, regularly checking vital signs and adjusting the treatment plan as necessary. You'll play a crucial role in your dog's recovery too, providing plenty of love, care, and encouragement. Remember, every dog is unique, and their response to treatment can vary. It may take several days or even weeks for your dog to fully recover. Patience is key during this challenging time. In conclusion, when it comes to parvovirus, early detection and prompt treatment are vital. By knowing what signs to look out for and acting quickly at the first sign of trouble, you can give your dog the best chance at a healthy and happy life. As always, When it comes to parvovirus, early detection and prompt treatment can save lives.